This video is about how to use the RouteTally add-on in the Google Sheets. The first thing that it wants is a series of addresses that you're going to use. So these can be in any format that Google Maps recognizes. And we'll just say, let's use the first 10 of them. If you have a paid Google account, you can select up to 23. And if you have a free personal Google account, you can do up to 10 at a time. But let's click Use Active Selection. So that just grabs what you highlighted. So these will be the addresses that we'll use. And for the options, we'll say, yeah, go ahead and return to the first address. So there's the same place that we're going to start and end from. We will do it in miles. We're in the United States, but you can do kilometers if you want to. And we'll leave it on driving, but you can also do walking, bicycling, or transit. Click Run. And it thinks in the background for a second and then creates this new worksheet where every segment is listed in that segment's distance and time. And this shows all the settings that you use to create this worksheet. And then the last thing that you can do with the free features is that it gives you a link to the route. All right, and this is the route in Google Maps with all the stops. Now let's take a look at what you can do if you subscribe. So you have that full functionality. You can do that 1,000 times a day if you have a free Google account. If you have a Google Workspace account, you can do that 10,000 times a day. So let's take a look at the premium features. We will go back to the sheet with the addresses. And what you can also do is you can say, hey, we're going to stop for, let's say, 3 minutes at every stop. I want you to put them in the optimal order, all right, because I want to run these routes as fast as possible. I want to see a map and I want a QR code to scan with my phone. So we will click Run. And now you get the addresses, but in an optimized order. So if we look at the distance, it's 410 miles. The way you had them last time was 565. And then you added the 3-minute stops. So that'll be in your time total. You get the graphical representation of your route. So there's a little image here. So if you scan this with your phone, it'll bring the route directly into Google Maps. So then you can just get started. To download and try this app, you can use the link on the screen right now. Let me know if you have any questions with my contact information on the marketplace listing where you get the add-on. Thanks for watching.